If you really want to become successful in trading, then watch this video very carefully. Most traders lose money because they trade with emotions and follow indicators. But the market does not move randomly. It moves because of liquidity and structure. In this 15-minute time frame chart, I will show you how big traders trap retail traders and move the price in their favor. You will see why price goes up first, why it comes back, and where the real move starts. This is not a strategy based on luck. This is based on how the market is actually designed. So stay till the end, focus properly, and learn how smart money really trades. People get stuck in trading because they do not truly understand break of structure. Most traders think break of structure means price just crossing a line. But break of structure is not about lines. It is about control. Look at this chart carefully. Before this point, price is making higher highs and higher lows. That means buyers are in control. Now watch what happens next. Price goes up and takes previous highs. This move looks bullish, but it is only done to take liquidity. After taking that liquidity, price comes down and breaks the previous higher low with a strong candle. This moment is the real break of structure. This tells us that buyers have lost control and sellers have taken over. After break of structure, price usually comes back up. This return is not for buying. It is to trap late buyers before the real sell move starts. So remember this clearly. Break of structure is not an entry. It is a confirmation that the market direction has changed. Many traders see price reacting from one zone, and they ask one question. Why does price respect this area so strongly? The answer is an unmitigated order block. An order block is the area where big traders placed heavy sell orders. That is why price moved away from this zone very fast. Now look at this chart carefully. After the break of structure, price drops strongly and leaves this zone behind. But price never comes back to this area at that time. Because price did not return, those sell orders were not fully filled. This is why we call it an unmitigated order block. Smart money never leaves orders unfinished, so the market is designed to come back to this zone in the future. When price returns here, it looks like a normal pullback to retail traders, but in reality, big traders are completing their sell positions. That is why you see strong rejection from this zone. This area is not for buying. It is a selling area created by institutions. So remember this clearly. An unmitigated order block is a high probability zone. It works best after break of structure and before the real move down. The market does not move to reward traders. It moves to take their money first. This is where liquidity sweep comes in. Liquidity sweep means the market goes to areas where most stop losses are placed. Now look at this chart. Before the big drop, price moves up and breaks the previous highs. To most traders, this looks like a strong bullish breakout. Buyers enter the trade. Old sellers place their stop losses above the highs. Liquidity is created above the market. Smart money needs this liquidity to sell, so price is pushed up to collect those stop losses and buy orders. This move is not real buying. It is only a trap. Once liquidity is taken, price has no reason to stay there. That is why you see a sharp move down immediately after. This liquidity sweep tells us one important thing. The market was not interested in going up. It only went up to take liquidity before moving down. So remember this. Liquidity sweep comes before the real move. If you understand this, you will stop chasing breakouts and start trading with smart money. The market never gives money easily. Before the real move, it always creates hope. This is called major inducement. Inducement means the market invites traders to enter in the wrong direction. Now look at this chart carefully. After break of structure, price starts moving up again. Many traders think the trend is turning bullish. Indicators turn positive. Buyers feel confident and enter the trade. This is exactly what the market wants. This upward move is not strength. It is designed to pull buyers into the market. Smart money uses this move to sell at better prices. Price is being pushed up into the order block area. This is the zone where big traders want to sell again. So the market creates inducement to bring price there. Once enough traders are trapped, the market shows its real intention. Price gets rejected strongly and moves down with power. So remember this clearly. Major inducement comes after break of structure. It exists only to trap traders before the real move begins. The market always moves toward liquidity. It never stops in the middle without a reason. Sell-side liquidity means sell orders and stop losses placed below the market. Most of these stops belong to buyers who are holding long trades. Now, look at this chart. After inducement and rejection from the order block, price starts falling strongly. This move is not random. Below the market, many traders placed their stop losses under recent lows. These stop losses become sell-side liquidity. Smart money needs this liquidity to close their sell positions. That is why price is pushed down aggressively toward these lows. When price reaches this area, stops are hit and sell orders are filled. This is where the market completes its move. After sell-side liquidity is taken, the market usually slows down. Sometimes it consolidates and sometimes it reverses. So remember this clearly. Sell-side liquidity is the target of a bearish move. Price falls not because it is weak, but because liquidity is waiting below. Now let me explain how to execute a sell trade on this chart. First, we wait for confirmation, not prediction. Price takes buy-side liquidity and then gives a clear break of structure to the downside. This tells us the market intention has changed to selling. After break of structure, we do not sell immediately. We wait patiently for price to move back up. This move up is inducement, not a trend change. Price then returns into the unmitigated order block in the premium area. This is our sell zone. On the lower time frame, we wait for a bearish reaction or rejection from this zone. Once price shows weakness, we enter the sell trade. Stop loss is placed above the order block. Target is sell-side liquidity at the lows. This way, we trade with smart money, not against it. Most traders buy at high price and sell at low price. That is why they lose again and again. Smart traders do the opposite. They follow the discount in premium zones. In this chart, after break of structure, the market becomes bearish. So we only look for sell trades. We do not sell at low price. We wait for price to move up into the premium area. This is called following the discount trader logic. When price reaches the unmitigated order block, it is in premium. That is where smart money sells. Our target is simple. We aim for sell-side liquidity at the lows. So remember this. Do not chase price. Follow the discount and let the market come to you.